more trouble than she's worth.
Really? But I'm cute.
Perfect.
Hi guys.
Thanks, honey. Took like 20 minutes.
This week we helped our friends Ronnie and Kobe put some furniture together.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
How are you doing with the bolts?
The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
Once it was finally all put together, we went for dinner.
On my skin.
Okay, so forgive the noise, but we came down to David. Brad has picked up the car. I really didn't get a chance to look at it. It looks like a really decent car. I saw leather seats, so why not? We'll get a better look at it once we get home. I have brought the loaner here to Magic Car Wash. As you know, it's my favorite. And the boys are doing their thing because it has to be returned tomorrow. So I'm getting it cleaned out. The girls will clean the inside. And then I'm gonna fill it up with fuel, and we gotta take it back first thing tomorrow morning. So I'm in the ready room, waiting, and Star Trek fans, waiting while they do the car, and I completely forgot that we just bought a Christmas tree, and it's in the back. So, sorry guys, I should have taken it out. Okay, so Jetour, they came through for us. We have a beautiful car, loaner from Jetour while they fix our car. Because their parts, Dottie's getting in the car momentarily. Because the parts take 3 months to arrive from China, we asked them to provide us with a loaner because, hi Dottie! Hi! Because a rental car would cost us $6,000 to $12,000 for the duration, maybe more. You know how that goes, right? So, and they did. They gave us this gorgeous car.
Deep inside me, so I leave it at the altar, God. I leave it at the altar, God. I leave it at the altar, God.
We've made a quick stop here at Animale's. It's the arts and crafts Christmas market. All kinds of stuff here. I think it's $10 to get in, but Dottie said it was $5, so I don't know. It's a few bob anyway to get in. And they've got all the crafty cool things. So the girls are over there doing that, and I'm here talking to you about this amazing car. Jetour, it does have some flaws. Has a few scratches and bruises, but the car itself drives so nice. It really is. They're not paying me to say this. It's just a really comfortable car, and frankly, I wish we'd bought this instead of the T2 in hindsight. But this is great. I love this. It's got a charging port, like set your phone on it thing, and so you don't have to plug it all the time. It's great, and it's got all the bells and whistles. I love it. I absolutely love it, and it's very comfortable. There's actually an extra row of seating that is laying flat at the minute. So you could have 3 rows of seats, or you can lay them all down and use it as cargo. Excellent.
at the altar, God. And leave it at the altar, God. Oh, oh, oh. I give you everything I've got. Oh, I surrender all. And leave it at the altar, God. Oh, oh.
So if you're in the market for a car here in Panama, check out Jetour. This is the X70 model, and I highly recommend you look at it. There might be a newer model. I don't know what year this is, so hi Ronnie.
Hello.
So if you are in the market, for sure check out the X70 and the T2, depending on what you like.